Now, in the prior chapter, we had left off creating something known as a mapping data flow to take in the data when it comes on to building our fact sales table. You've already seen this in the section of Azure Synapse on how do we build our fact sales table. The only difference is that now we're creating something known as a mapping data flow. Now, how do we run this mapping data flow? Well, for this, we need to create a new pipeline first. I'll just give a name. In the movement transform now, I'm going to put in data flow on the canvas. Just give a name. And now in these settings, I can choose the data flow that I want to run. In terms of the staging area, right, I can select my staging area, but it is actually required. Let me click on validate all. So it's saying it does need a staging area, and that's because we are basically moving data onto Azure Synapse. I'll choose my existing link service that I have, and again just browse for that staging container. Click on OK. Now click on validate, and it should be fine. I'm going to publish this new pipeline, and then we'll trigger the pipeline. Now, when it comes on to running this pipeline, it's going to take time. If you want to use the normal copy data activity using a query, the activity would have taken less than 30 seconds. But in using a mapping data flow, it could take around 3 to 5 minutes. And why is this case? It's because in the background, Azure Data Factory has to start building those Spark clusters, that compute infrastructure that will be used for running your mapping data flow. So it takes time to build up that infrastructure, run your mapping data flow, and then obviously destroy that infrastructure. Now, you might be asking me, what's the point of building this mapping data flow? I mean, we need to wait for more time just for these Spark clusters to come up. We can easily do it via query. We have seen this earlier on. Why the copy data tool? See, only when you want to do transformations on your data, which we will see subsequently, then you should consider the use of the mapping data flow. See, currently, just to get started, I showed a very simple example on how do we do the join of multiple tables. If you want to use the query solution, then you are basically hard coding a query when it comes on to transferring your data from the source onto the destination. But if you want to have a more flexible approach, if you want to basically change anything when it comes on to transferring data onto your destination, then you should consider the use of mapping data flow. So it gives you more flexibility in the end. If you had a very simple use case of just copying data, I said let's say using a query, you just go ahead and use the copy data activity. But if you need a more complex transformation process, then you should consider the use of mapping data flows. Now, I told you this is going to take time. Let's come back once this is complete. Now, I've come back for some time. I've actually gone onto the monitor section to the pipeline runs, and you can see that the mapping data flow took around 3.5 minutes. And if you go onto your fact sales table, you should see your data in place. This is pretty straightforward. You see the same number of rows. So let's mark an end onto this chapter when we look at an example of mapping data flows. Now, in this chapter, let's look at how do we build the mapping data flow for transferring a dimension customer table. So earlier on, we have seen how to build a fact sales table. Let's go ahead and build a dimension customer table. Making use again of the query for building that dimension customer table is pretty straightforward. We're just taking some information from the customer table in our Azure SQL database. First of all, I'll recreate the table. So I don't have this in my dedicated SQL pool. Let's go on the mapping data flow. Let's go on the author section, and let's build a new data flow. So I give it a name for the data flow. Just like this. In terms of the source, it's very simple. So the source is just a customer table. So I'll build a new data set for that. Go onto the Azure SQL database, the customer table, to the sales the customer table, click on OK. And then I just need to add my sink. That is my dimension customer. Create a new data set. This time it's Azure Synapse, beyond company. Here's my link service. To the dimension customer table, click on OK. If I do a mapping, I don't want to do an automatic mapping because I don't need all of the columns. And it's automatically detected what are the columns we need to transfer from the source onto the destination. I'll click on Publish All. Very simple to build this mapping data flow for our dimension customer table. If we're building a pipeline, let's mark an end on this chapter and move on to the next.